Hello everyone, I'm going to be making a snowflake card die tonight. I'll be showing you how to use this card right here to create a moving card that moves like this. Very fast and very easy. So first off, you're going to want to get the snowflake card die just like this. You're going to want to cut your paper into a square 5.5 inches by 6 inches. Now I have my little platform set up on the magnetic platform. Very nice and fast for these dies, because these dies love to stick right to that platform. Makes lining it up very fast. As you see, I just pop that down, line up the edge, very easy. I'm going to take my top of my cutting platform on here, line it up and push it through. Word of warning, it is going to sound like a giant earth-shattering earthquake. This is normal. That's how the cutting plates work, by pushing the pressure through. Alright, this last bit is always hard. There we go, big crunch at the end. So, I'm going to pull out my card. Now it is going to pop out of there. Just like this. And this is perfectly die cut. Has a beautiful little line in there. There's these two lines here, which are score lines. You're going to want to take your bone folder and line those babies up so they will crease nice and smoothly, just like that. So I'm just going to put it up here so you can see what I'm doing here. First I'm going to find my edge. I like to just fold it over, crease like that. I'm going to do the same thing right here. Fold that over. So that we have a nice card. Just like that, which will fold perfectly. Very nice. Now for the center here, there's a letterpress stamp set in a new catalog that fits in there just perfectly. For right now, I'm going to show you how you can make a DSP liner just like that. Now the DSP for this is 5 inches and 1/4 by 2 inches and 3/4, and it lines in there just perfectly. So let me get that out. Now same thing, we're going to put up our card here. Now I'm going to take my DSP. Now the DSP I'm using today is All Is Calm. I like it because it has this nice winter scene, but on the other side there's these stripes, so they're going to be used for a boy card. It doesn't have to be a perfectly winter wonderland, winter only scene. Now for this, I'm going to put my card down first. I'm going to line it up where the cut's going to be. Make sure it stays nice in the corner there. Then I'm going to take my snail and edge the corners. For snail, you don't need a lot. And all the purpose of this is to make sure the DSP will stick when the card is cut. So I'm going to put a nice big strip down there. I'm going to peel that out. I'm going to take my DSP, and I want it to have the winter wonder side up. I'm going to line that down there, nice edge. The edge is not quite lined up there. It's a little harder when you have it up above a big shot, so I can not see the line. Alright, I like how that looks. Alright, now put that right like that. Once again, I'm going to take my Thinlit die. I'm going to make sure the edge is popped in the corner there. Just like that. I'm going to take the top of my sandwich, put my sandwich in there. Now this is going to again make my snap and crackle. This is normal. That means the cutting plate is working. Don't worry when it snaps and crackles like that. Alright. Now with this one, we cut over the DSP. And you have the circle framelits. These pop out very nicely because they're a perfect little circle. But this one will give you a little bit of hangover, which actually popped out nice. And right here, you see those are your little score lines again. We're going to score on those lines with your bone folder. So I'm going to fold it over. Pop this out so my card will fold the way that I want it to. And then it's going to make a perfect little card. Now right here, you can put that letterpress Wonderland right here. It'll look really, really pretty. It's perfectly sized there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some silver shimmer paper like this, and I'm going to die cut out the smaller shapes. Now this set comes with a lot of beautiful, versatile shapes, not just for winter. Like for example, we have two of these little snowflake pieces, the big one, the small one. We have the word bird, we have snow, joy, Christmas tree, and a little word framelit, and a heart, which we can use for sending warm wishes for the winter. We can also use that for our Valentine's Day cards. So I'm going to fold that up. I'm going to put this back. I always want to make sure I put my items back in the plastic sleeve it comes in, or else these delicate little metal pieces can get bent very easily. So I'm going to close off this video while I set up to show you how to die cut out the center snowflakes.